Bangladesh is making waves in the defense world. Recently, news broke that the country has shown official interest in acquiring the JF-17 Thunder fighter jets, a collaborative product of Pakistan and China. This potential deal could mark a significant leap in Bangladesh's Air Force modernization efforts, aligning with its Force's Goal 2030 initiative. The JF-17 Thunder is a lightweight, multi-role combat aircraft developed jointly by Pakistan Aeronautical Complex and China's Chengdu Aircraft Corporation. First introduced in 2007, the JF-17 was designed to be cost-effective while delivering high performance with a top speed of 1,200 miles per hour and a combat radius of over 800 miles. The JF-17 is versatile. It is equipped with 7 hardpoints, allowing it to carry a mix of air-to-air missiles, precision-guided bombs, and anti-ship missiles. This flexibility makes it an ideal choice for countries looking for a reliable and affordable fighter jet. Bangladesh's interest in the JF-17 aligns with its broader Force's Goal 2030 initiative, a comprehensive military modernization plan. Under this program, Bangladesh aims to enhance its air, naval, and land capabilities. Currently, the Bangladesh Air Force operates older fleets of F-7 and MiG-29 fighters. These aircraft have served well but are becoming increasingly outdated. The operational costs and maintenance challenges of these aging platforms have pushed Bangladesh to explore newer options, and the JF-17 seems to be a strong contender. Bangladesh is reportedly interested in the JF-17 Block 3 variant, the latest and most advanced iteration of the aircraft. This version comes equipped with an active electronically scanned array (ESA) radar, significantly improving its tracking capabilities. Additionally, the Block 3 features enhanced stealth characteristics thanks to reduced radar cross-section technology. The avionics package includes an advanced helmet-mounted display and infrared search and track systems. These upgrades make the JF-17 Block 3 a formidable aircraft in both air-to-air and air-to-ground combat scenarios, offering capabilities comparable to much more expensive fighter jets like the F-16. One of the key reasons Bangladesh is leaning toward the JF-17 is cost-effectiveness. The JF-17 is significantly cheaper than its Western counterparts like the Dassault Rafale or the Eurofighter Typhoon. Moreover, the fighter jet's maintenance and operational costs are relatively low, making it ideal for countries with limited defense budgets. Its compatibility with a range of Chinese and Pakistani-made weaponry adds to its appeal, as Bangladesh already has strong ties with both nations. The potential acquisition of the JF-17 also has geopolitical implications. Bangladesh's growing defense ties with Pakistan and China could shift regional dynamics. India, which has traditionally been the dominant military power in South Asia, is closely watching these developments. The introduction of the JF-17 would not only bolster Bangladesh's defense capabilities but also strengthen its military partnership with Pakistan, potentially influencing the balance of power in the region. While the interest is clear, several steps remain before Bangladesh can officially acquire the JF-17. These include finalizing procurement terms, ensuring pilot training, and setting up maintenance infrastructure. Moreover, the deal could face political scrutiny both domestically and internationally. However, if successful, this acquisition would mark a significant milestone in Bangladesh's defense modernization journey. The JF-17 Thunder could be a game-changer for Bangladesh's Air Force. With its modern capabilities, cost efficiency, and strong partnerships with Pakistan and China, the aircraft is well suited to meet the nation's defense needs. As discussions continue, we'll keep you updated on this evolving story. What do you think about Bangladesh's interest in the JF-17? Let us know in the comments below.